Welcome to our channel, Preposition MCQs. Question number 1. She is fond dash music. Option A in, B of, C about, D for. The correct answer is option B of. Number 2. He jumped dash the river to save the child. Option A in, B on, C into, D onto. The correct answer is option C into. Number 3. We stayed at a hotel dash the bridge. Option A in, B on, C at, D by. The correct answer is option D by. Number 4. The cat is hiding dash the bed. Option A under, B below, C beneath, D all of the above. The correct answer is option D all of the above. Number 5. The train is arriving dash 5 p.m. Option A on, B at, C by, D in. The correct answer is option B at. Number 6. He has been working here dash 2010. Option A for, B by, C since, D from. The correct answer is option C since. Number 7. The painting was hung dash the wall. Option A on, B in, C over, D at. The correct answer is option A on. Number 8. She is married dash a businessman. Option A with, B to, C by, D of. The correct answer is option B 2. Number 9. They walk dash the market slowly. Option A through, B across, C among, D into. The correct answer is option A through. Number 10. He was standing dash the door. Option A at, B on, C in, D over. The correct answer is option A at. Number 11. Please put the keys dash the table. Option A at, B over, C in, D on. The correct answer is option D on. Number 12. The boy said dash his father. Option A beside, B besides, C among, D on. The correct answer is option A beside. Number 13. We shall return dash 2 days. Option A for, B since, C by, D in. The correct answer is option D in. Number 14. She is angry dash me. Option A to, B with, C on, D for. The correct answer is option B with. Number 15. He walked dash the room quietly. Option A into, B in, C at, D to. The correct answer is option A into. Number 16. The book is dash the drawer. Option A at, B into, C in, D onto. The correct answer is option C in. Number 17. They are sitting dash the table. Option A on, B over, C at, D by. The correct answer is option C, at. Number 18. The plane flew dash the clouds. Option A, through, B, between, C, into, D, by. The correct answer is option A, through. Number 19. We watched the movie dash television. Option A, in, B, at, C, by, D, on. The correct answer is option D, on. Number 20. The car went dash the tunnel. Option A, under, B, into, C, through, D, beneath. The correct answer is option C, through. Number 21. He leaves dash Lahore. Option A, at, B, in, C, on, D, by. The correct answer is option B, in. Number 22. The children are afraid dash the dark. Option A, in, B, from, C, of, D, by. The correct answer is option C, of. Number 23. He is sitting dash a chair. Option A, on, B, in, C, at, D, over. The correct answer is option A, on. Number 24. The meeting will begin dash on Monday. Option A, in, B, at, C, on, D, by. The correct answer is option C, on. Number 25. The thief ran dash the street. Option A, on, B, along, C, across, D, above. The correct answer is option B, along. Number 26. I was born dash October. Option A, on, B, in, C, at, D, by. The correct answer is option B, in. 27. He divided dash the swimming pool. Option A, in, B, on, C, into, D, onto. The correct answer is option C, into. Number 28. There is a snake dash the box. Option A, on, B, over, C, in, D, to. The correct answer is option C, in. Number 29. She was looking dash her keys. Option A, for, B, at, C, about, D, on. The correct answer is option A, for. Number 30. The bus stopped dash the signal. Option A, by, B, near, C, at, D, in. The correct answer is option C, at. Number 31. Don't lean dash the wall. Option A, at, B, against, C, with, D, upon. The correct answer is option B, against. 32. He went dash a walk. Option A, to, B, in, C, for, D, on. The correct answer is option C, for. Number 33. He came home dash foot. Option A, on, B, by, C, with, D, through. The correct answer is option A, on. 34. The birds are flying dash the trees. Option A, above, B, over, C, onto, D, under. The correct answer is option A, above. 35. The plane is flying dash the city. Option A, on, B, over, C, to, D, through. The correct answer is option B, over. Number 36. She is good dash mathematics. Option A, at, B, in, C, on, D, with. The correct answer is option A, at. 37. He is sitting dash me. Option A, beside, B, behind, C, over, D, under. The correct answer is option A, beside. Number 38. The boy jumped dash the table. Option A, on, B, over, C, upon, D, into. The correct answer is option B, over. 39. They are quarreling dash a trivial matter. Option A, on, B, over, C, at, D, for. The correct answer is option B, over. Number 40. The sun rises dash the east. Option A, in, B, from, C, at, D, by. The correct answer is option A, in. 41. I left my bag dash the car. Option A, in, B, on, C, at, D, over. The correct answer is option A, in. 42. Don't throw stones dash the dog. Option A, on, B, at, C, for, D, to. The correct answer is option B, at. 43. He is keen dash learning French. Option A, for, B, to, C, on, D, in. The correct answer is option C, on. 44. He divided the apple dash two parts. Option A, among, B, between, C, in, D, with. The correct answer is option B, between. 45. There is a bridge dash the river. Option A, above, B, over, C, on, D, across. The correct answer is option B, over. 46. He walked slowly dash the corridor. Option A, through, B, on, C, by, D, at. The correct answer is option A, through. 47. The car is parked dash the tree. Option A, under, B, below, C, beneath, D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. 48. They have been living here dash 5 years. Option A, from, B, for, C, since, D, at. The correct answer is option B, for. 49. He stood dash the queue patiently. Option A, in, B, on, C, at, D, among. The correct answer is option A, in. Number 50. There was a knock dash the door. Option A, on, B, in, C, by, D, at. The correct answer is option A, on. I hope you enjoy your video. Please share your score in the comment section, how much you earn. For more video, kindly like, share, subscribe. Thank you.